So, good evening, student. Today we will talk about Mr. B.R. Ambedkar, one of the greatest personality that India have ever produced. When I started reading about that man, I came to know about several facts that man have. I came to know about the several struggle stories from where that man has passed, and at the end of the day, he became the first law minister of India. It is a very struggling story about Mr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was born in a very poor family, and he was born in a lower caste also. But in spite of that, he had the courage, he had the curiosity to learn. So that is the main thing. You have the curiosity. You should have the curiosity to learn something, to know something. He was not allowed to sit in the class. He was not allowed to study with those peoples who belongs to the upper caste in the school. But in spite of that, he fought hard. He learned hard. And after that, he had done PhD two times. Two times PhD. And he was sent abroad from one of the kings who belongs to Maharashtra. He was born in Maharashtra also. So at there he completed the whole study, and there he completed his PhD. And after returning to India, he struggled very hard here also, because in spite of getting many degrees, he was not getting he was not getting a proper job. But in spite of that, he struggled. And then Mr. M.G. Gandhi, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, has given him the opportunity to prepare the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the biggest constitution the world has ever produced. And it is written in such a beautiful way that even you will learn. I have the Constitution. I have purchased it from Amazon also. And when I got that Constitution in my hand, I came to know about the rules and regulation that has been given. And there are many rules and regulation according to which the country is governed also. So the Constitution comprises of many pages, but I am recommending you to purchase the book of Constitution. And we are listening about the great man, Mr. Ambedkar. So what is so great in him? What was the fact that made him such a big personality? The first thing was his struggle. Struggle for hard. Believe in yourself. And when he was studying in England, I heard a story. He used to enter the library in the morning 6 o'clock, and he used to exit from there at almost 9 o'clock in the night. So from 6 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock in the night, he continuously used to read the book. And this is very important, and the biggest knowledge that you are getting from this video. Read books. And it was the most powerful quality of Mr. B.R. Ambedkar, reading books. He made his best friend. The book was the best friend of Mr. B.R. Ambedkar. And at that time also, when he was reading book, no one was there to disturb him. He told his wife, he told her wife, he told his children, he told his family members not to interrupt when he is reading books. So student, listen to me very carefully. And those who are watching me on the YouTube, you should also develop the skill of reading. The second thing that the Mr. Ambedkar had, the second quality that Mr. Ambedkar had was a very good quality of believe in humiliation. Believe in humiliation means what? If someone is criticizing you, don't take it seriously. Learn from the criticism and grow out of it. It is very important quality. It was a great important quality of Mr. B.R. Ambedkar. At several times when you will read this story, you will get to know that at several moment of time, he was struggling with his house. He was struggling financially. He was struggling with his family. But in spite of that also, he kept one thing in his mind, that he will never lose his hope and he will continuously try to the development of the personality. So read the book based on Mr. B.R. Ambedkar, and you will came to know about his strength and what he has done for our country. It was a great contribution by Mr. B.R. Ambedkar. And many of the leaders, those who belong at that time, he was the most educated leader. And he showed, and he said a very beautiful quote also. The person who consumes the milk of knowledge roars like a tiger. A very important line. A person who will consume knowledge will roar like a tiger. So if you want to roar like a tiger, firstly you have to consume knowledge, and the knowledge comes from book. Knowledge comes from experience. So believe in experience, get experience, learn experience, and become a good man. I am also learning the same thing. I am also doing the same thing. I am also working hard right from 8 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the night to do something in my life, to make a significant change in the human being. And for that, I need your support. So once again, I am requesting you. I have only got 113 subscribers. So if you wish, you can increase the subscribers of mine. Thank you.